Are you interested in trying the Noumena technology without installing anything on your laptop? Or do you want to develop a full NPL project on a cloud editor? Well, this video is for you. Welcome in this tutorial on developing NPL applications in GitHub Codespaces. I'm Jean Heitzmann, Head of Developer Experience at Noumena Digital. In this video, I will walk you through setting up a complete cloud-based development environment right in your browser with everything you need to start developing NPL applications. By the end of this tutorial, you will have your own NPL development environment running in the cloud with all the tools and dependencies pre-configured. First, let's get started with what GitHub Codespaces is. GitHub Codespaces provide a cloud-based development environment that runs directly in your browser and integrates with VS Code. The best part? With our template, it comes pre-configured with all the tools and dependencies that you need to develop in NPL. This is especially useful. Everything runs in the cloud, so you just need a web browser and a GitHub account to get started. Now, let's set up your Codespaces. We will start from the NPL init repository that we have set up for you. Use this as a template and open one in Codespaces. This will set up all the functionalities that you have in VS Code. It will install Docker Compose, the NPL CLI, the NPL dev extension, and Git. It will also allow you to use pre-configured AI rules to generate NPL code easily. For this, allow the NPL rules to be installed. We now can see that our development environment is ready and our code is highlighted thanks to the NPL dev extension. We also have the NPL CLI ready, as we can see here from this help command. To run the NPL runtime, you can use the Docker Compose command as follows. Docker Compose up, wait, and your Docker Compose containers will come up. We see that we have now successfully deployed NPL sources to our NPL engine, and we will be able to see the generated API and the protocol management that we have in our NPL engine. For this, I will open the Swagger UI that is located at the root address of our NPL engine. Codespaces allows us to do this by looking at the port forwarding tab that you can find here on this tab with the small antenna icon. I can locate the engine at the port 12,000 and open the Swagger UI in a new tab. I see here that I have APIs to create and get Hello World instances. I can also fetch a specific instance and call the one permission that we had in our protocol. This allows us to run through the lifecycle of our application. Coming back to my Codespaces, if I want to store the code that I have modified in my Codespaces, I can connect it to GitHub. For this, come on the small GitHub upload icon here at the bottom of your screen. By uploading to you can store your code and fetch it for a next time. You will be able to open a new Codespaces or reuse this one. You now have been able to use the NPL CLI to deploy your code to an NPL running instance, and we have looked at the Swagger UI to see the different endpoints that our NPL engine is offering. Finally, we have stored our code to GitHub and make sure that we would see the changes in the next iteration. Thank you for following this video and see you in the next one.